Hey, it's Cousin Tim in Missouri. What do you say we make some jalapeno popper stuffed pork loin chops? Get them out on the grill, smoke them up, eat them for dinner tonight. Come on, let's go. Hey, I don't know what happened to the audio on this whenever I was recording it, but it did not record anything over this section, so I'm doing a voiceover. Anyway, what we're going to do with these is we're going to cut a slit in these pork loin chops. These are about 1.5 inches thick. What you're going to do is cut a slit, leave about 1/4 of an inch on each end of that slit, and cut it all the way down until you can feel that fat cap that's on the bottom of these pork loin chops. You don't want to cut all the way through it because you don't want your stuffing to melt and fall out. So what we are going to do with these is, again, is going to stuff these basically with a jalapeno popper. You're going to put a slice of jalapeno in the bottom of them. Then you're going to go in with your cream cheese. Then you're going to put a slice of bacon on top of them. And then top it off with some sharp cheddar cheese. And then when we're finished with that, we're going to wrap these things up in bacon. Put a slice of bacon around the outside of them. Pork loin tends to not have a lot of fat in the muscular part of it, so it can dry out if you're not careful. So one way to avoid that is wrapping it in bacon. When that bacon starts rendering, that fat stays on the outside of it and keeps these pork chops nice and moist. Once we wrap that bacon around there, then we're going to season these up, get them out on the smoker, smoking at 250 for an hour and 45 minutes, 2 hours maybe. Depending on what you stuff these with, because you can put anything you want in here. You can put sausage and cheese, you can put rice and cheese, you can put Boudin in these, you can put whatever you want to in them. It's basically just a pocket and a piece of meat. You can put whatever you like inside there. So, but the only thing you want to do is, like, if it's raw sausage or whatever, you really do want to check the internal temperature and make sure that that sausage is nice and cooked. This being the jalapenos, cheese, we'll check the internal temperature. Once the pork is done and the cheese is melty on the inside, then we'll know this is good to go. But anyway, got that bacon put on top of that cream cheese and a jalapeno in there. Then we'll top that off with this cheddar cheese here. Get these seasoned up, get them put in the smoker, and stick around to the end. I cut one of them in half, and you can see what these things look like once they're finished. So if you like what we're doing here, be sure to like and subscribe. And what we really would like is, guys, send us some comments. Let us know if what we're doing, you like it. Let us know if there's anything you would like us to try. Let us know if there's any techniques that you have that we might want to display on here and let some other people, and we'll share it. We just like cooking, and we like sharing things with people so that we all can eat good in the evening time. So anyway, enjoy the rest of this video. I'm wrapping these up with the bacon. Then we'll get them seasoned up and throw them out on the smoker. All right, we got these seasoned up with some salt, pepper, some barbecue rub. I'm going to stick these up here away from the heat. I'm going to cook these for probably an hour and a half or so. Start checking the temp then. And about then they should be about ready to go. I haven't decided if I'm going to put any sauce on the outside of these yet or not, but we'll determine that as these go along. We got a little while to think about it. So, all right, we'll close that up. Come back and check on them in a little while and see how they're doing. All right, I think these things are just about done. Got a little extra one over here that I didn't put anything in, just smoking it normal, but these with the cheese, jalapeno, bacon. I think them things are just about done. About ready to pull them off. Let them sit for a few minutes while I pick up some potatoes, some zucchini. See if we can have this for dinner tonight. All right, see you in a bit. All right, let's cut this pork chop in half and see what we got going on. Cut this right down the middle. Ooh, there you go. Got that layer of jalapeno, cream cheese, bacon, and that cheddar cheese on top of there. Give this a slice and see how this tastes. Ooh. Don't be messy. Got that great smoke flavor of that pork loin there. All the traditional flavors of that jalapeno popper in the middle. It's a winner right there. Make you some of these. I'm going to go finish eating this one right now. Some of the potatoes and zucchini. See you soon.